Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing night shoot in St. Xavier's College and बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है पता है मतलब stage वाला setup है, it's like a fest and all of that. So we're doing night shoot and मेरे पास अभी थोड़ा time है, so I'm having dinner. So I'm having paneer paratha, which is my favorite paratha, honestly. I mean, I like paneer paratha more than aloo paratha. So yay!
Much later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I am doing great and I've been shooting for Crash. You know, we've been doing morning shifts, morning to night shifts, and I'm having a lot of fun, you know, playing this character and everything. We're shooting different locations and all of that. So I've been really busy, but today I'm making a very interesting video. I've been wanting to do this for quite a long time. So I am gonna show you guys what I eat in a day. So let's start with the video. So I just came back from my night shift and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So you know, there are a lot of things to do for me right now. Like I have to remove my makeup and go to sleep because we were shooting the entire night. But I'm also very hungry, and because it's 6 o'clock, so I don't know what to eat. You know, it's like I can't eat breakfast because I'm not that hungry. I can't have lunch or whatever. I don't want anything, you know, heavy, and I want something which is very quick to prepare and I can just have it and just go to sleep. So I have, you know, discovered something. Let me just show it to you. Kapiva. So I'm gonna make my Kapiva Masala Super Grain Mix right now. I'm gonna show you how to make this, and the best part is it will be ready in 3 minutes. You wanna know how? Let's go. So this is the sachet of Kapiva. So there are like 10 sachets like this in this box. So first I'm gonna just cut and open this sachet and I'm gonna pour it in this bowl. So you can see this is how it looks like right now. So the third and the final step is, so I have this kettle and I have boiled water in this. I'm just gonna pour this here. Not very much, it should not be very soupy.
There's also a watermark to add in the bowl for perfect mix.
Now I'm gonna mix this. It smells amazing. So now for the final step, I'm just going to I'm gonna keep this lid for, you know, like 2 minutes. So guys, this is a high fiber and protein rich breakfast or evening snack meal, and it has 4 super grains: oats, green gram, amaranth and ragi. It also contains 3 Ayurvedic herbs, which makes this a wholesome meal. It contains tulsi, turmeric and amla. So 3 minutes are over and I think it's ready. Yay, it's ready! So I'm just going to take 1 spoon and try it. Oh wow, it's so yummy. Imagine guys, so you know, whenever you hear Ayurvedic or herbs and everything, everyone thinks that it's not probably that tasty, but this tasty masala flavor will, you know, like tantalize your taste buds. Also guys, this one is the Kapiva Masala Super Grain Mix Immunity, but it also comes in another variant which is Kapiva Masala Super Grain Energy, which gives you energy also, and it's a very tasty meal also. Truly yummy Veda. This is a super amazing option, you know, for all those people who have a very busy routine like me, and you can get a very healthy snack without compromising on taste. This is my healthy and tasty start of the day, which will boost my immunity. Also, guys, sometimes when I'm shooting, night shifts and all of that, I tend to miss my meals sometimes, and it's really bad for your health. So all of you guys who have a busy routine, don't skip meals. Instead, go for this Kapiva, masala super green mix. It gets ready in 3 minutes, and you can just have it in 10 minutes, and you're ready. Guys, this is a super good alternative for your normal breakfast because this is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, Ayurvedic herbs, and wholesome nutrition, which will also give you great taste. Also, guys, this is not only oats, it's beyond oats because it has 4 super grains, so it's super healthy and it comes with this yummy masala flavor. So guys, now I'm done with my morning meal and I feel full and nice, so now I'm gonna go sleep. Hey guys, I just woke up and I had a good sleep of about 7 hours, and now it's time to go get ready for my shoot. So I have to reach around 6 o'clock or something, and I'm shooting in town, so I have to leave early. But before leaving, I am just going to grab a quick bite of this boneless yummy grilled pomfret, which I love, one of my favorite fish, and some salad, some healthy food. And my mom also has packed some nuts for me, apple, fruits, and dinner also for me. So she always makes my dinner or lunch whenever I'm going for shoot. I don't eat set ka khana ya khana bahar se. Sometimes I order, but then today my mom has packed yummy food for me. So right now I'm gonna have my fish and my salad and then go for shoot. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy, eat healthy food, eat good food, and keep exercising and keep smiling.